Never, ever drive your car through deep water, unless you own an EV. It's still not a good idea, but it's doable. Tesla vehicles practically works as a boat. Elon Musk said the Model S floats well enough to act as a boat for a time. He even explained that you can propel the Tesla through the water via wheel rotation. EVs like Teslas use a skateboard design with a relatively flat battery pack under the car's floor. The pack and drive units are fully enclosed in most cases, so they shouldn't take on water. The car probably won't sink right away, at least until it fills up with water. Thus, most of its moving parts will continue working. The most recent videos come out of China, which has been having flood problems this summer. This Tesla Model 3 is not actually floating, but there's no doubt it's driving in very deep water. It appears to be just fine, but who knows if it will have any lasting damage. Tesla have worked to assure that its China-made Model 3 sedans would have some extra protection from the flood conditions.